Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ghazala Batul. Today I am here with the motivation to speak in English fluently and also write in English, as I know my skills on English language, both speaking and writing, are not very good. That's why I decided, and in our daily life we are not that much consistent to read and write and speak, as I am living in Pakistan and the national language of Pakistan is Urdu, and we mostly uh, do our conversation with our friends, peers, and um, teachers in Urdu. That's why I decided to make videos, and I am getting this challenge of 30 days. And I will compare my first day conversation with all of you, and my last day conversation. Uh, so, as I know, it's all about 20 years. I am learning English from my schools, universities, and all other educational and academic institutes. But still, I can't talk in English confidently. That's why I researched some about by watching videos, and I came across the instructor is telling that language is something not uh, do translations, uh, and language is something about daily conversation and feelings that you feel at the moment. And I also uh, feels that first I translate a sentence in Urdu to English in my mind, and then I will speak. But the instructor is telling me that its language is not something telling, not something translating first and then execute that. It's something about think in English. He said me think in English instead of translate in English. So uh, today I am starting my journey to improve my English, uh, so that I'm starting from basic level. The instructor is also told me that no need to uh, 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 no need to speak fascinating words. Speak from the basic level. I'm getting challenge. I'm giving challenge to myself to speak 30 days with my daily conversation that I have made, and I will summarize all my daily habits with all of you, and improve my English in that way. So that's my first day. I'm very excited about all of the days that I'm going to record of my daily conversation. As I know, I cannot do anything special in my daily routine, but still I'm trying to summarize my routine in English to make my language skill um, uh, better. As we know, English language is basically the international and the globe or the global language. Whenever you goes for the job and all, or even in admissions, masters, and international admission, you needs to speak in English. And most of the students and candidates lose their confidence just because they can't speak in English, not because they are technically not good. Same issue with me. I am also I think I don't know what the others think about me, but I think my basics and technical in engineering specifically uh, is very good. But my communication is also very good, but in Urdu, not in English. I am not very much confident to speak in English in front of any HR and any uh, panel interview. That's why I'm starting. uh, Hopefully uh, I will do these 30 days uh, with this motivation. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.